Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to uh, make 3D characters or 3D objects or something. Well, if you are interested in 3D projects, you can follow this tutorial until the end. You can also print this in 3D printer. You can print like characters like Thanos and things. Oh yeah, so let's get into it maybe. So the first thing you have to do is you will go to the TinkerCad website, enter it. Oops, I forgot to log in. Okay, there we go. Uh, this is the first thing, the first website you will see, and you will need to click this. Then there is a loading. If you are a new user, you must sign in into the thing first. But I have already created a lot of 3D things, so I'm not going to tell you guys how to do it. But you can search another tutorial on YouTube on how to sign in. Also, sorry if the voice in this video is kind of loud, the background noise, because there's a lot of people here. Okay, so maybe you need to make a new design and things. You can just create a new design. I have made Thanos here, look. Okay, so this is the work plane page. If you just created a new design, you will have a random name, so you can change it to something like maybe a 3D character. Yeah, like that. It's your choice anyways. So there's a lot of things like basic shapes and things. I usually use these creatures and characters, so I can make a lot of things. But in my religion, you cannot use faces and things. You can search for maybe people or something. uh, okay, this is just the example of the structures and things page. Also, there's fun and games, electronics and things. Okay, so you guys can probably start making things right now. You can use basic shapes at first, maybe like cube. It's cube. If you have like this, and you can make this a hole for this. Just pick the whole UI and then group. See, you made a hole here. Okay, that's just an example. So maybe you guys want to make another things like 3D character. Let's check this creatures and characters. I found people like this bodies. Sorry for the loud noises. So wait, let me pause first. Okay, so I will continue now. Sorry, the environment was really loud, so I switched place. So yeah, maybe you can just use this chibi people or this. I don't know what this is. I never used this before. This hand, egg, ears, bunny ear, chick foot, and a lot. Well, you guys can just search it on Google, TinkerCad, or and start learning about it, so you can become a 3D designer. As you know, there is actually another application named Blender. I have it here, so but I didn't use it because I don't really know how to use it. Also, there's like uh, fashion things like glasses. You can use it. Let's put it on the character. There we go. He do be looking good. Okay, let's put it over here. So this is cool. Maybe we can make another Thanos. Let's use purple, yeah. And then I actually found an infinity gauntlet in accessories. As you can see, you guys can use this to make, you know, Thanos. Wait, Command Z, and then you press shift, so it will decrease the size or increase the size in the same way. Let's put it on his hands. Up. There we go. We did it. So after this, you guys, maybe you have done building this character, so we can you know, just do export if you want to save this. So if you want to print it, you can use .stl, preparing model for export. Okay, it's exporting. You have to wait for this one now, because this design is very simple. You only got like you only eat a bit of your storage. Okay, so after that, if you want to 3D print, you might need to download this Ultimaker Cura. I forgot how to download it because my friend gave me the link, but let's just search Ultimaker Cura. Ultimaker Cura. This is the applications. Okay, so let's just continue into the apps now. Oops, it's loading. Okay, it's setting up preferences. Sorry if it's a bit laggy. Let's just close this for a while. Okay, the Ultimaker. Here we go. Okay, so this is the preview. There is actually a thing where you need to pick the, yeah, like this, you printers preset. You can manage or add printer. In my school printer, it's Creality Energy. You guys can choose any printer in your home or things. So let's go to downloads. We just downloaded the 3D character. This is very easy if you want to print it. So there we go. We just downloaded the 3D character, and now we can just drag and drop it here. It's very fast because it's just a simple design. Okay, so this is the object we are going to print. So after that, we are going to slice this. If you want to know how many hours you are going to print it, it takes 2 hours and 8 minutes to print it. We can use preview to know how it will be printed. Look at this. Okay, it's printing the base thing. You can just see, we can just skip forward, and then it's the second stage. And yeah, let's take a look on how they make the glasses. Okay, look at this part, they're making the glasses. Okay, it's very fun to watch, you know. You can just save to this after doing this. Yeah, like this, but I'm not going to save it. It will take up my storage. So yeah, thank you guys for watching maybe. And also don't forget to leave a like and share this so it will be helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Goodbye.